Hey, it's Kenzie Rei here and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we are doing the 5-minute slime challenge. And I have my cousin, Caitlin here.
Look, it's hot in there.
It's hot down there?
Yes.
Okay, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a massive thumbs up and click the subscribe button below. I'm super excited, so why don't we just, get started. Why did I point this way? We're just going to stay still. Anyways, so we're doing a 5-minute timer on my phone, and it may seem like a long amount of time, but this is only like her third slime by herself without help. So we're just going to take it slow here. Oh, I'm choking. Okay, so I'm going to set the timer. I got to actually set it before I say go. Okay, so ready, set, go. So we only have like one big gallon of glue, so we're just going to have to take turns. It's heavy too, so, okay. That's probably enough. Here you go. Do you need help pouring it? You got it? I'll hold your bowl still. Good job. You're doing good. Alright. You done?
Yep.
Alright, so I'm going to slide this over so they can see us. And now what are you doing next? Baking soda? So you're going to do baking soda and I'll do shaving cream. Oh. Shaky, shaky, shaky. Okay. Are you wanting the shaving cream next?
Probably so.
Probably. Here you go. And I'll take this baking soda for my slime. So I've added glue and shaving cream, and she's added glue and baking soda, and now we're switching ingredients. So now I'll add my baking soda, and she'll add her shaving cream. And remember, this is timed, so my timer will go off whenever it's, time's up. Gotta move fast. We also have 6 different paint colors to choose from. The wood's on it. Oh! And so we've got pink. It's full. The bottle's full, you know. There you go. And anyways, wipe this off. Okay, we have pink, purple, orange, red, green, and teal. I'm gonna go with purple. So here's my purple. Ouch. I'm just gonna start with lotion because I can't open that. Oh, I squirted it onto my spoon. I'm putting a lot of lotion, and also I think that bottle's kind of getting a little bit low, so it takes a little bit more to get out. Okay, let me try to open the purple again. What do you need next? You done baking soda, shaving cream, glue, so now you need lotion?
Yes.
Alright. Or paint. Okay. I'm wanting like a bright vibrant, so if this doesn't color enough, I'll add more paint. There we go. Yeah, I'm going to need more paint because this isn't as bright of a purple that I'm wanting. This is what I've got, and I'm wanting a little bit brighter, so. Oh. Okay, it still should go off. Yeah, we've got 2 minutes.
2 minutes already?
Yeah.
I gotta hurry.
Time goes by fast, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Add a color. Going teal?
Yeah.
I love pink.
I can't get it.
Do you want me to open it?
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. Okay. This purple is not getting bright enough. That's probably good. I mean, if you need more, you can add more. But to start off, it should be good. This is the purple that I've got. And I'm wanting a little bit darker, but I guess it will work. Since we don't have a whole lot of time. Well, why did I shake this? I shaked it as if it was like shaving cream. Do you want to start or no?
Yes.
Want one? Okay, so we're gonna mixy. Let me move the bottle over so it's not in front of us. Can you see? Okay. So my slime's starting to form. I'm really hoping it's going to be a good slime. Your slime's really pretty. I love that. I've got slime all over this contact lotion bottle. I just touched it. Okay. How much longer?
Can you hand me the contact solution?
50 seconds.
Oh,
Yes.
hurry, Jimmy. That's no one else.
When the timer goes off, we have to let go of everything, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Keep moving on. Okay. Can you see us, camera? Okay. So mine is starting to form a slime.
Mine is too. Mine's hard, isn't it? Okay, squirting it all over me.
Sorry, do you want to get this done in time?
Yeah, how many? How much time do you have left?
Hey, I'm trying to help you. Okay.
My hands are touching it. Ooh, this is pretty.
Okay. Oh, it's sticky.
Okay. Contact solution.
Here. Let go. Okay. Okay. Stop. Okay. So, sit down.
Alright.
Alright. So, sorry, that sounded right mean. Okay, so let's show our slime to the camera. So mine is this beautiful purple slime. It's a little sticky, but it's worth it just because of how pretty and fluffy it is. Alright, now you show your camera to the slime. Your slime to the camera.
Mine's a teal color.
It's
Very
teal.
sticky. Now in second.
Is it stretchy or fluffy?
Stretchy and fluffy.
Mine is fluffy and stretchy too. And I think it's really pretty. I mean, as you play with it, it's not really as sticky anymore. So yeah,
I'm
make sure to leave a I'll get you out of that. But make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below on who you think won this slime video. Now let's show them real fast. Show the last picture. Alrighty, goodbye everybody. I'll see you next time. And hope you vote to see who won. Bye.